Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA with a keyboard. First, familiarize yourself with the default key bindings for movement, passing, and shooting. Many players find customizing these controls to their preference significantly improves their game. Experiment with different setups to discover what feels most natural for you. Once configured, spend about 10 to 15 minutes in practice mode to get comfortable with your new layout. This foundational step is crucial for developing muscle memory and precise execution. To excel offensively, master different passing techniques. Use through balls to send attackers into space and lob passes to bypass defenders. When shooting, differentiate between finesse shots for accuracy and power shots for sheer force. Incorporate skill moves like step-overs or body feints to outmaneuver opponents. Combining these actions effectively allows you to create numerous scoring opportunities and maintain pressure on the opposition's goal throughout the match. Defensive prowess is key to winning matches. Learn to apply pressure effectively using standing and sliding tackles, timing them precisely to win the ball without fouling. Rapidly switch between players to cover passing lanes and close down attackers. Focus on anticipating opponent passes to intercept them and position your defenders to block incoming shots. A strong defense, built on good positioning and timely actions, will frustrate your rivals and secure your goal. For advanced play, practice combining multiple key presses for intricate skill moves and tactical plays. Experiment with custom tactics and formations to adapt your team's strategy against various opponents. Understanding when to press high or sit deep can dramatically change game flow. Consistent practice, even just 20 minutes daily, will significantly improve your muscle memory, reaction time, and overall game sense. This dedication will elevate your gameplay to a much higher level.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.